What if the food sitting in your fridge right now could switch off cancer genes before tumors ever take hold? It sounds unbelievable, but decades of research showed that certain vegetables contain compounds powerful enough to stop cancer cells from multiplying and even trigger their self-destruction. Today, we discovered the top 5 vegetables scientifically proven to target and destroy cancer cells before they can spread. Cancer doesn't begin overnight. It starts where normal cells mutate and forget how to die. Over time, these rogue cells divide uncontrollably, forming tumors and invading nearby tissues. But here's the empowering truth. Your diet can play a major role in preventing that process. Specific vegetables contain natural compounds that block cancer-promoting signals, neutralizing DNA damage and activate your body's detox enzymes. Eating these foods regularly can radically change how your cells behave, protecting you from within. Let's explore the top 5 vegetables that science says are your strongest allies against cancer. Broccoli is the modern side dish. It's a biochemical weapon against cancer. Its secret weapon is sulforaphane, a sulfur-rich compound found in the cruciferous vegetables that triggers your body's detox enzyme to neutralize carcinogens. Sulforaphane also targets cancer stem cells, the tiny seeds that cause tumors to regrow, and it promotes apoptosis, or programmed cancer cell death. Studies show that it can inhibit cancers of the breast, prostate, colon, and the lung by switching off inflammatory genes and blocking angiogenesis, the process that feeds tumors new blood vessels. For maximum benefits, eat broccoli lightly steamed or raw heating, smash destroying the sulforaphane-producing enzymes. My recipe is add a pinch of mustard powder to cooked broccoli to restore these enzymes naturally. Garlic doesn't just flavor your meals, it's one of the oldest and the most studied anti-cancer foods. Its main compound, allicin, forms when garlic is crushed or chopped and has been shown to inhibit cancer growth at a multiple stage. Garlic compounds interfere with cell cycle regulation, causing cancer cells to stop dividing. They also increase reactive oxygen species inside tumors, effectively forcing those cells to self-destruct. A large-scale study found that from the people who ate raw garlic twice a week had a 44% lower risk of developing lung cancer. For best results, crush garlic and let it set for 10 minutes before cooking. This activates allicin and maximizes its anti-cancer power. This leafy green powerhouse is rich in chlorophyll, lutein, and folate, nutrients that protect your DNA from mutations, the first step in a cancer formation. Spinach also contains flavonoids that neutralize free radicals, molecules that can damage cells and trigger tumor growth. One study found that women with the highest intake of spinach had a significant reduction in the breast cancer risk, especially among smokers. Folate, in particular, supports DNA repair and proper cell division, helping prevent pro-cancer changes. To preserve its antioxidants, lightly saute spinach with olive oil instead of boiling it. It also excellent raw in the salads or blended into green smoothies for daily cancer-fighting boosts. Tomatoes are your natural armor against several cancers, especially prostate and stomach cancer. Their bright red colors comes from lycopene, a carotenoid with exceptional antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Lycopene protects cell membranes and the DNA from oxidative damage and reduces insulin-like growth factor, IGF-1, a hormone linked to faster tumor growth. A meta-analysis involving over 7,000 participants found that higher tomato or lycopene consumption was associated with a 26% lower risk of prostate cancer. Here's a surprising fact. Cooking tomatoes especially actually increases lycopene absorption. So tomato sauce, soup, or paste can be even more potent than raw tomatoes. Just per raw tomatoes. Just per them with a little olive oil to boost absorption. Brussels sprouts may be small, but they pack with a massive anti-cancer punch. They belong to the same cruciferous family as broccoli and kale, rich in glucosinolates compounds that your body converts into isothiosonates, natural detoxifiers that deactive carcinogen. One 2018 study found that people who consume more cruciferous vegetables had a lower levels of DNA damage in their white blood cells, showing real-time protection at the cellular levels. Brussels sprouts also helps your liver clear out excess estrogen, lowering the risk of hormone-driven cancers like breast cancers and ovarian cancers. Let's pull everything together with some simple sun-based steps you can start today to keep your cells strong and cancer-free. Eat a rainbow of vegetable every day. Different colors mean different protective compounds. Green for chlorophyll, red for lycopene, yellow for lutein. Variety matters. Go raw or lightly cooked when possible. Overcooking destroys sensitive phytonutrients. Light steaming or stir-frying preserves most anti-cancer molecules. Pair your veggies with healthy fats. Fat-soluble antioxidants like lycopene and the carotene absorb better with the olive oil or avocado. Add the garlic with the onion daily. The sulfur compound enhance your body's defensive systems and support immune defense. Reduce processed foods and refined sugars. Cancer cells thrive on glucose and inflammation. Choosing whole vegetable helps starve them a field. Support your gut microbiome. Vegetables, fibers, feed beneficial bacteria that convert plant compounds into cancer-fighting metabolites. And remember, always consult your healthcare provider before making significant dietary change, especially if you are undergoing treatment. Cancer may be complex, but your body has built a defense, and these vegetables are a part of the armor. Every bite of a broccoli, every cauliflower of garlic, every bite of a broccoli, every clove of garlic, every serving of a Spanish or a tomato is a vote for your long-term health. You don't need exotic superfoods or expensive supplements. You just need to eat the right plants consistently and let natural chemistry to the work.